Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase sales with Visa easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by understanding the benefits of accepting Visa payments. Visa is one of the most widely used payment methods globally. Having the ability to accept Visa can expand your customer base. First, ensure your business is set up to accept card payments. Contact a payment processor that supports Visa transactions. Review the terms and fees associated with accepting Visa. Once you have chosen a processor, complete the necessary application. Set up your payment terminal or online payment gateway. If using a physical terminal, ensure it's connected and ready to use. For online transactions, integrate the payment gateway into your website. Test the payment system to ensure it operates smoothly. Next, promote your acceptance of Visa payments to potential customers. Use signage in your store and updates on your website. Consider sending email newsletters to inform existing customers. Highlight Visa payments as a convenient option during marketing campaigns. Offer promotions or discounts for customers who pay with Visa. This can encourage more transactions through this method. Monitor your sales data regularly to evaluate the effectiveness. Assess how accepting Visa impacts overall revenue and customer satisfaction. Adjust your marketing strategies based on what you learn. Continue to stay updated on Visa's latest features and offerings. This can help you maximize the benefits of accepting Visa payments. Always provide a secure and seamless checkout experience. This builds trust with your customers and encourages repeat business. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your sales with Visa payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.